The bell. Today we are going to address about bell, its characteristics and our relationship with it. Whenever we hear a bell ring, our attention is diverted towards its sound as if it is notifying us for some information, and we respond to that immediately, whether it's a mobile ring or it's rung by a superior officer to their assistant. The exact proof of how the bell, which we commonly see and hear in houses, schools, offices, temples, and churches, came into practice is quite unknown. Nevertheless, it is believed that at around 1000 AD, ancient people residing in China were the first to bring the bell into use. Only used in religious customs in Nepal, India, Bhutan, and other countries. Likewise, during ancient times, it is also found to be used as a symbol of peace. In today's busy life, its importance and understanding has different meaning according to country, era, and circumstances. Originated from Old German language and derived from word bellon from Old English, which meant to make a loud hollow sound, is called khanta. In world's oldest language, Sanskrit, and it's mean to revitalize the human mind. The energy generated in our brain after hearing the sound of the bell alerts the 7 chakras in the human body. Therefore, even in today's scientific era, bell is accepted as a divine gift by our nature. Various bell ringing in our mobile phones, vehicles, and temples, along with various other places and circumstances, transmit various unique messages to our brain, and its information is broadcasted to various parts of our body by the brain. Thus, accordingly, our body reacts to the upcoming event as notified by the sound, which is why various places, countries, and religions have their own explanation for the importance of the bell. But today we are going to explain about Himalayan bell, Tibetan bell in specific. Himalayan bell has its own special place in both Hindu and Buddhist religion. When it is struck, it produces a specific sound which echoes Om sound. Made from a very sublime material, these Himalayan bells are acclaimed in various Hindu temples and Buddhist monasteries in Nepal and Tibet, respectively. First of all, let's address the relation of Hinduism with the bell. When the sun shines in the morning and the routine worship ritual in every household starts, the bell is rang, along with various other special religious rituals held in the day up until the routine evening aarti. Without ringing of the bell, most Hindu rituals are incomplete. The fact that each auspicious event is started by ringing of the bell highlights the importance of bell and its significance in Hindu religion. Referring to Hindu belief, the Himalayan or Om bell has a very symbolic meaning. The outer circular structure symbolizes eternity, whereas the interior clapper tongue represents Goddess Saraswati, who is the Hindu goddess of knowledge, music, art, wisdom, and learning. Every Hindu temple has bells hanged outside the entrance. This is because whenever a devotee arrives at the temple, he rings the bell outside the entrance to notify gods of his presence and get the invitation from the god themselves. It is believed that gods then invite the devotees inside and remove the presence of evil within the devotee and encourage them to walk in the right path. Likewise, the evening bell makes us forget the stress of the whole day and pray with the pure heart in God's grace. Ringing the Himalayan Om bell in-house means summoning of God to start an auspicious event in presence of God. When we hold the bell with one hand and shake it, Om sound echoes around us. the negative energy around us get destroyed and our mind, body and soul are flooded with positive thoughts, as well as the sound produced by it is meant to be very much important in every auspicious work. Now let's talk about its importance in Buddhism. In Buddhist culture, along with the bell, a special striker is there, made up of special material which is also called bajra or dorje. Bell and bajra are always kept together according to the belief as they complete each other. In reference to Hindu belief, an object of the same material is the weapon of god Indra, which is known as bajra. It is kept and worshipped in various temples. From this, we can understand that the bell is a blessing according to the belief of both Hinduism and Buddhism and the focal point of both religions. It has very special importance in Buddhism as its beautiful sound is useful to engage devotees from far away. In Buddhism, the sound is also used as an invitation for devotees to perform various religious events. The sound of the bell is believed to represent the teaching of Lord Buddha, his knowledge, spiritual peace, and heavenly joy. Therefore, Buddhists are known to prioritize the beautiful sound of the bell in their monastery and during any religion tasks. Through its sound, evil souls are driven away while good and peaceful souls are invited near. Now, shifting our attention to bajra dorje, bajra is used as a source to vitalize the energy of our soul. Meditation done by holding the bell in one hand and bajra in the other hand represents high self-belief and pledge. In Tantric Buddhism, bajra is known to be a natural indicator which indicated endless creative power and natural activity. By keeping this in home or temple, it increases confidence and removes negative thoughts from our mind and soul. In both Buddhist and Hindu belief, it is believed to remove negative energy from within and outside the home and temples where it is kept. If you are in search of such type of divine and special Himalayan Om bell, then we are here to help you fulfill your necessity as per your demand. We guarantee the quality of the product you receive and provide you with a certificate of authenticity. Thank you and Namaste. We wish you for a happy, healthy and peaceful life.